Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital has just started 4 eye hospitals in Hyderabad, in Dilshuk Nagar, Kukatpalli, Panchagutta, Secunderabad. Agarwal Eye Hospital has more than 50 eye hospitals all over India and globally in Mauritius, Seychelles, Nigeria, etc. We are planning to start 25 to 30 more eye hospitals in Andhra Pradesh in the next 2 to 3 years' time. The latest technology of cataract is through 0.7 millimeters and a technology called glued intraocular lens. In Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital, we are having facility of everything from small glass prescription to the highest retinal surgery. Diabetic eye care is a separate department. We have the latest lasers to get rid of glasses, short sight, long sight, also for children. So there's a pediatric eye department. Also, most important is cornea, eye transplantation, etc., all under one roof. The idea of different centers in different locations is this, that we are able to cater to everybody in Andhra Pradesh. Diabetes in Andhra Pradesh is very high. Lot of patients are there with a lot of bleeding inside the eye. Also, cataract is very high. In such patients, suppose cataract is there, if you leave it behind, it can burst. Today, short sight, long sight, today in 5 minutes time, with lasers, we can get rid of the glasses totally. Whether he has -5, +5, -10, +10, all can be removed. Glued intraocular lens is the latest technology where with gum, we are able to fix a lens in an eye. It remains fixed. There are no sutures. So in cases where a lens cannot be fixed, with a glued IOL, it is the best alternative for such patients. The idea of Agarwal Hospital is we have 200 eye doctors with 2,500 people working in the group to deliver high quality eye care at a very affordable price. 30% of the surgeries also are going to be done totally free of cost. The main target in Andhra Pradesh is to have 25 to 30 hospitals all around Andhra Pradesh in various locations within the next 3 years' time. We have invested 30 crores and will be investing another 20 crores immediately into Andhra Pradesh eye care so that lot of patients can benefit from high technology eye treatment. Every month, approximately in Agarwal Eye Hospital, we are doing 4,000 surgeries every month. And out of 4,000 surgeries, you can imagine the magnitude of the blindness in the country. With 18 million blind in India, Andhra Pradesh is a major state. So you can imagine the amount of blindness in India is huge. Normally, cataract comes at the age of 70. But in India, it starts at about 50 years because of nourishment and also because of the heat. Both of them create an impact with early cataract. Cataract is like a mango. If you leave it behind in a tree, it can burst. So if the patient goes to the doctor early, high technology treatment will help the patient.